Hi, I'm Najibullah Shinwari from Shinwarispeaks. As a cricket commentator, cricket fan, I expect all cricket followers to share this message until it reaches ICC ears and eyes. Well, this is happening to Afghanistan cricket team. The same thing happened to our national team when they were participating in World Cup. And now the same thing is happening to our young future superstars under 19 team. They have been in Dubai since December 2021. I mean, it's almost 1 month, but ICC couldn't get them the visa of West Indies. Well, they have to. We are not here just because like Scotland, New Zealand pulled out and Scotland came in. We deserve to be in World Cup. We earned this World Cup spot. Since 2010, Afghanistan under 19 team has been making every single World Cup, qualifying automatically. And including 2018, we were the semi-finalist. So our future superstars are doing the best whatever they can, talk with the bat and ball. The rest, ICC is saying we are working with Afghanistan Cricket Board. I don't think there's much work needed. They have the passport is the only thing they can get, and they are already in Dubai. That means they went there with a passport. So it's sole ICC responsibility to provide them a visa, get them a visa, and take them on time. Last time our national team had the same situation. They almost missed the warm-up games, and this time under 19 completely missed warm-up games against UAE and England. We will see, but I hope, well, it's our right. We should be there, but in the situation we are, we always have to play for our own rights. We always have to beg, and it shouldn't be that way. We deserve a spot, we earned a spot, and it's ICC responsibility to provide them a visa. But 35 plus million Afghans are looking forward to see their future stars participating in a World Cup, you know, having some interesting games. That's what we can do, and that's the spice we can provide to the World Cup. Like we did, our national team did the T20 World Cup. The same thing, these stars have talent. I hope ICC doesn't deprive them and do their best to get them on the plane, take them to the West Indies as soon as possible. We Afghan fans are looking forward to our stars participating in the tournament, having interesting games. Please do not deprive us. Help us, since you guys are independent body. Our cricket board is independent regardless of the political conflict. We are united for cricket, and we are behind our cricket stars. We are supporting them.